Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport. Today we've got a VN, and usually if it's on our place, it's got no mang, 3.8, never late in 3.8. Well, you ain't gonna be late with this bad boy. It's a 6 litre. Dave's done all the work. GM Motorsport CNC heads, monster TK cam. Hasn't got the ramjet, it's got the Reese edition. Surprisingly, it works well because it's big, unrestricted, and does the job. It's got 3.9 diff gears, which suck a little bit of power out. 102 throttle body with an adapter, actually works quite well. It's got pacey headers, but it's got a really big single exit. So yeah, we'll run it up. It's got a VL diff in it, and hopefully he's got a good enough tail shaft. He tells me it's been upgraded. We'll give it a whirl. We did hear some axle tramp before, but yeah, we'll show what we can do. He's done all the interior. It's all standard. It's in good nick. It's a Calais. It's pretty cool. Two-tone. She's a real sleeper. So we'll start it up and hear that TK rumble. Let's get into it. Man, this thing rocks. I got out of that because it had axle tramp. I definitely think she's going to make over 350 with a high stall, TK and 3.9s. This thing's going to be a rocket ship. So well done on the conversion. As you can see, 6.7. That's definitely a lot of power, and she'll have good torque numbers as well because, yep, as you can see, that was our other run down low. And around about 850 there, but even through here in a sweep. Yeah, good numbers. So yeah, this thing's going to be a rocket ship. Yeah, like some of these retro cars that are getting done now. Overall, good package. And if you guys want to do the same, give GM Motorsport a call and we can sort you out.